In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a diagram in Lucidchart. Lucidchart is a web-based application that helps you create professional-looking diagrams with ease. This tutorial will walk you through each step, ensuring that you're comfortable using Lucidchart by the end. So let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to the Lucid website. Once you're there, the next step is to click on the Login button, located typically at the top right corner of your screen. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials and log in. However, if you're new to Lucidchart, don't worry. Click on Sign Up with Google to create an account using your Google credentials. It's a quick and straightforward process, and in no time you'll have access to all the features Lucidchart offers. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Lucidchart dashboard. Here, look for the button that says New. Click on it to start a new document. You'll see an option to create from template. Templates are pre-formatted examples that make the process of creating complex diagrams much easier. For our purposes today, we'll be creating a flowchart, a versatile diagram used for everything from process flows to organizational charts. Browse through the template library and select the flowchart template that suits your needs. Templates can be incredibly helpful. They provide a solid foundation upon which you can build, allowing you to focus more on customizing the content rather than designing from scratch. Once you've selected your template, it's time to add in any additional steps or shapes that you need. Lucidchart provides a variety of shapes, such as rectangles, diamonds, and circles that you can use to organize your ideas visually. You can connect these shapes with lines to depict the flow of information or process. If you feel adventurous, you can start from a blank slate and design the entire flowchart by selecting and connecting these shapes manually. Next, you'll want to customize the text within your diagram. This is where you get to make the diagram your own. Modify the text to align with the topic you're covering or the information you're trying to visualize. Click on any text area, delete the placeholder text, and replace it with your content. It's as simple as editing in a word processor. Finally, take advantage of Lucidchart's robust editing capabilities to refine your diagram. Feel free to adjust shapes, change colors, align text. The possibilities are vast. The platform is user-friendly, so don't hesitate to explore its features to enhance the clarity and look of your diagram. And there you have it. With just a few clicks and some creative input, you can